kasama natin si Heather ng Team Galing. Anong pakiramdam mo, Heather? How do you feel that you won the first 4 rounds? Are you happy? You happy? Are you excited? Are you excited? Okay, here we are. We are in the final round, okay? You can do this. All right? Good luck, Heather. Alam niyo, kung manalo po sila dito, mag-uuwi sila ng total cash prize na 200,000! Wow! At syempre, may 20,000 din ang charity. So, what charity have you chosen?
Real Life Foundation.
Real Life Foundation na yan po. At ngayon, si Emma ay nasa waiting area, so it's time for Fast Money. Are you ready, Heather?
Yes.
Give me 20 seconds on the clock, please. Here we go. Kung pera ang birthday gift mo kay Yaya, magkano ibibigay mo sa kanya?
5,000 pesos.
Name something na kailangan sa pagligo.
Shampoo.
Aside from water o tubig, gusto mong umulan ng ano?
Ice cream.
Body part na lagi mong nililinis.
Legs.
Para yumaman at dumaming pera, anong dapat mong gawin?
Save money.
Let's go, Heather! Alright. Kung pera ang birthday gift mo kay Yaya, magkano kaya bibigay mo? Sabi mo, 5,000 po. Ang sabi ng survey ay, meron. Something na kailangan sa pagligo, sabi mo po, shampoo. Ang sabi ng survey, yes. Aside from water, gusto mong umulan ng ice cream. Sabi mo, ang sabi ng survey ay, yes, meron. Body part na lagi mong nililinis, sabi mo yung legs. Ang sabi ni survey ay, uy, wala. Para yumaman at dumaming pera, ang dapat gawin ay mag-ipon ng pera. Ang sabi ng survey ay, very good. Very good, Heather. Let's welcome back Emma. Hi, Emma. Ready ka na, Emma?
Yes.
Grabe, alam nyo, Emma, 65 points ang nakuha ni Heather. Okay, 65, meaning 135 to go. You can do it. At this point, makikita na po ng viewers ang sagot ni Heather. Give me 25 seconds on the clock. Kung pera ang birthday gift mo kay Yaya,
Yeah.
if it's Yaya's birthday, how much would you give her? Go.
2,000 pesos.
Name something you need when taking a bath.
Soap.
Aside from water, gusto mo umulan ng blank.
Snow.
Body part that you clean. Anong body part ang lagi mong nililinis?
Hands.
Hands. What should you do to become rich?
Finish school.
Let's go, Emma! Kung pera ang birthday gift mo kay Yaya, magkano bibigay mo sa kanya? Ang sabi niya ay 2,000. Yan. Ang sabi ng service sa 2,000 ay meron. Ang top answer dito ay 500. 500 ang top answer. Something na kailangan sa pagligo, siyempre sabi mo ay sabon. So, ang sabi ng survey natin, wow! That's a top answer. Aside from water or tubig, gusto mo umulan ng ano? Sabi mo yellow or snow. Ang sabi ng survey, top answer! You know, 27 points. Body part na lagi mong nililinis, ang sabi mo kamay. Ang sabi ng survey, wow! But the top answer for this number 4 question is the face. Guys, come here. Ian, come here. Come here, join me. Come here. Come on. Heather, come on, join me. Ian, Isabel, come on, join me. All right. Now, the last one is, para yumaman, anong dapat mong gawin? Your answer was, finish school. Okay. You know what the top answer is? The top answer is save money. Heather answered it. Now, we want to find out how many points this will give us. I want you to all say, survey said, 1, 2, 3. Survey said! Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Nice one. All right. Congratulations, Team Galing. You have won a total of 200,000 pesos. Wow, galing. And of course, guys, palakpakan din po natin ang Team Bibo. Dahil talaga namang bibo at magaling at mahusay sumagot. Thank you, guys. Thank you for all the effort and thank you for being here. We all enjoyed. I hope you had fun also. Okay, thank you. Thank you.